Welcome to Believer, and today I want to discuss some major points that when you have to take an entry and what are the logics behind every trade. Very important to learn here. Please watch till end. Okay, let me share screen. Okay, okay. Whenever we are taking a trade, what we are looking at? Are we looking at volume, VWAP, open interest, or moving averages? What actually I have plotted on the screen now. Okay, point of view is very clear. You have to have edge over what actually trend is. Okay, point view is very clear. Okay, then see, you can see that on Bata India was in a downtrend. It has gapped up, gapped down, and came down here and went up with such this much volume. You can see this one volume. Okay, only this kind of a volume it has gone up. Okay, and the trend line whichever I have drawn here, it has to break, then retracement, then go. That could be a logic everybody has in this one. But one more approach in this one to see here. Can you see the same kind of a volume as you had already seen here? No, that is one more point. And another point where it is rejected here or here, which was that point it is rejected. It is that point where the moving average was crossing. Let me clear. The moving average was crossing. If you switch to day candle, you will come to know. Can you see? A 20-day moving average was about to cross and it was rejected from the 20-day moving average. Once it's broken, then ultimately that will become a resistance. Okay. मूविंग एवरेज बारे में मैं थोड़ा डीप में नहीं चाहता हूँ पर you should know that. Okay, 20 days prior which moving average was running about that one. Okay, let me remove that one. Okay, and add VWAP to this one. Can you see that one? Yep. The volume already decreased. Point is very clear. The trend was down. You can see volume is decreased. And here once again volume was not able to pick up more than this at all. And again here 1560 20-day moving average was rejecting this price here. And when it is rejected, it can you see this trend line? Okay, it has held for from that from 1500 can sold if you'd have sold below VWAP also at 1550. If you go to the lower time frame, you could have got better entry. You can see that in 5 minutes. Intraday, you should see in a 5 minutes only. For a trend purpose or other purpose, you have to see 30 minutes or anything. Okay, that time you can see here. Can you see this one? Okay, buying volume is less and selling was intense, right? And this was high of 1452. You could have entered near to VWAP and आंख बंद करके बैठना है और देखना है कहाँ जा सकते हैं. If it is against us, then we are going to buy a call. Okay? But high probability is that it will go down only. You can see that one. From there, 1548 to 1524, the same day, 24 rupee. Okay, the continued trend has taken till 1500. Means more than 2, 3, 4%. Okay, such a move should be observed. And one more example I want to show you based on the moving average only. You can see Sun Pharma was trading at 607 right now. The day before yesterday it was moving around 600 12 or something, 12 or 13 moving average. If you switch to 20-day moving average, it's 50. It is about to come here, 50. Then it may bounce or flex when sell. Okay, when it's a long trend is that one. Okay, you can see that 612 was 20-day moving average. When it has broken, you can see in the lower time frame, and you can draw the trend. Okay, you can see here 615, and here the 612 was broken very intensely. Means the trend has broken the 20-day moving average intensely. It's very high volume. That means what? You have to take action just below this close, then book its profits of 8 rupees. Means 8 into 1400, a lot. You can take a 500 quantity, you can book 4k. Such a logic is here, right? And I can take so many examples here. For the example Biocon, you can see, you can take any example, but this how this moving averages works, very important to know. Okay, anybody, if anybody is taking a trade, he will average some of the trades at 20 days or 200 days. Okay, on that basis, it actually works. Okay, since see this one 20-day moving average is broken. Okay, from that there's a downfall, and here again it is coming there to respect the level at 400. You can switch it to the 50-day moving average and see whether it is okay. You can see 50 days for 436. I can see 200, very important level, means 1 year. Actually, it is 1 year. See 1 year, right? See 400, 415 or 416. If it is above this one, it could be and it should be very bullish, and has not sustained here, broken down from the 200 moving average. Again, you can think that it could be either a bearish or it could be sideways. Unless and until it comes above 200 moving average, you cannot say this is going to be bullish. You can see one more example, Reliance here. Okay, when it has closed best at here, this candle, I'm saying this candle 1971. Okay, it has went up to 2067 that day, second day, and now 2092. That is the power of 200 moving average. You can switch to any trades and you can check that if any trades are near to that one. Oh yes, one more is Dr. Reddy. Okay, can see when it came up 200 moving average 4646. You can see jumped up to 4833. Here also you can see the day 19.2 came down to 4538, but again it sucked up to 4614 and closed at 4681. That's the power of moving averages. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the things what actually I thought. Draw the trend lines, first point, and second is uh, no, draw the trend lines first. Okay, and then observe the 20-day moving averages, 50 or 100 or 200 moving averages. On that basis, that actually works. Okay, even you can see and you can bahar those things whenever you're taking four in a watch list, and that is sufficient that okay, this is moving against me. If this is moving uh, with me, then we can move. You can see Cipla, one more example, last 20-day moving average. You can see that one. Trend was down. Okay. Where was the 20-day moving average? That is at 836. Okay. Which is that day 18.2. Come to 18.2 in the lower time frame. 18.2. Right. This is 18.2. 836. See. Let me remove moving average here. Okay. Can you see at 10:50 when it has came here? It was 838 high and it was continuously at the VWAP. The action, if you would have seen, you could have drawn a line here. can see shape body easily could have identified. And in the morning, this volume, I'm saying this volume has already shown us that, okay, I am going down there. Okay, I am going down, it has shown here. This is kind of retracement, that is, you can see the very low volumes which have never crossed the moving average here. Okay, that is important point. And when it has broken 836 20-day moving average, you can see the result till here. That's the power. The moving averages, what we actually don't know, right? Importantly, you should know these all things because moving averages are the main factors which actually turning the market, and they are doing some magic here. 835, you can see easily. If you are not able to enter, if you're not satisfied to enter, sit for a long day, you can book here and get out. But you can book now 835 to 828. It's not a small amount. 7 rupee means what? You can double your lot size and you can make some money. You can see Sifla future short at 1300 lot is that in intraday you are getting a leverage of 86,000. If you are going for cover order, then also you are getting some of the leverages. Double the slots 2600. Okay, and book 7 points. Enough to 15k per day. 15k if you are right. And one more point is very clear. Moving averages acts as a barrier, the crossover, resistance, support. Okay. And one more point is that when the trend is against you, do not go against that one. Okay. Trend is with us in, you can see in supply in a higher time frame. Point number one. Second, the moving average 836 was crossing below, and one more point is VWAP, volume weighted average price, and see the volume at the downside. Without volume you cannot come to the conclusion yes it is going to make some or other thing. Okay, you can see volume. Okay, volume was coming up, and on that basis you are going to decide. Okay, see volume here very importantly, and here you can see where when it was rejecting and buying volume was going down here. That is very important point to know. Very clear. When simple things are made, you have to do. Okay, if the trend goes against you, okay, trend is with you, then you are selling, the moving average is breaking out, then you are making profits. Suddenly some news came, and you are it is if it is going against you, if you are shorting, then buy one call. That is one point of saving yourself. Okay, one is very clear, I think so. There are so many examples other. Let you try and tell me in the comment box if these are not working. And I have some Excel sheet I have prepared myself. You can see that one I had prepared for myself. Okay, and you can easily come to know the things what actually I'm making here. Whenever the things are coming near to 20-day, okay, or something, then I'm going to trade on that basis. Okay, these are really helping us, and obviously this will help you. Just observe the moving averages which are nearly 3% to that. Example 50-day, 20-day, 100, 200. These are important levels. On that basis I'm trading, and you hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Thank you, and if you liked it, uh, please comment on that one. Okay.